So I'm going to show this with advanced locomotion system because it's the most modified project for a character system. So this means that if it works with advanced locomotion system, then this plugin should work with any project. So after downloading the plugin, you go there and you enable it. So let's go to the animation blueprint. As you can see, there's a lot of going on here, but first let's check the skeleton. There are three main bones: pelvis we are going to use, and we are going to use calf. This is the joint, the knee, and the left foot. This is the ankle bone. So add a socket at left, add a socket at right, and at the left just decrease. This is going to be where our foot going to hit to the ground and line trace will come. So you can modify it in any position according to the feet. If you want, for example, that part to go up first or that part, but it has to be on the very bottom of the foot. And so we'll use these socket names. Let's go there. So this is basically the foot IK of advanced locomotion system. When you go further, a lot of going on here with these calculations and stuff. So and this is my plugin. This is just one skeletal node, and you'll just put it like this. All code is in the C++, so there's nothing here. And this is also fully replicated, so you can use it in the multiplayer. This is pelvis, left foot. I'll do this just fast. Left foot and socket name. That was, but you can change it. This is a target, joint target, similar with the right foot. So this is this socket name that we have added. Joint target calf. So now this important joint target location, it's the calf, but when you walk or when you run, the movement will be, the knee will bend this way, and the system has to know which way to bend. That's the reason why we have to hit the location a bit outwards. So I tested it a bit, and I think these are the good values to begin with, but you can test it and change them, not to have twist. But if you go really really steep slopes, then you will still have twist. I mean, if your foot will go upper than your pelvis, then it's not good, because the IK system doesn't know, can't react to that. So these are the settings: foot IK, apply distance, the vertical distance, offset interpolation. Alpha for the pelvis position will be interpolated in order to avoid sharp differences. For example, in the stairs. Foot rotation interpolation alpha for the foot rotation to match the terrain position. And these two are the advanced settings. Slope correction multiplier. So on the stairs or on a flat ground or on slopes, the offset interpolation alpha calculation is different. So this multiplier affects this behavior on the slopes, how much the offset interpolation alpha will be changed on the slopes. This is a multiplier between 2 and 0.5, so you can divide it by 2 or multiply 2 or anywhere in between. And this sudden slope change during sudden height change compensation alpha. So this is when you go from ground directly from zero angle, when you go somewhere with, let's say, 40 degrees slope, the pelvis will go there directly because it will match the slope offset interpolation alpha, and then but it has to be softened. It has to be like in stairs, offset interpolation alpha has to be low. That parameter changes this behavior. So it's alpha, and you can change it, and it will affect the interpolation speed between when the height changes suddenly between a sloped terrain and a flat ground. So this is it. Let's go and let's try it. So as you can see, if you move really fast, there will be twitches on the slopes. You can change the joint target location for a compensation. It looks like this. And when you crouch, still there will be some problems with the position of position of joint. Sometimes especially with the slopes. So like this, it's the inverse kinematics behavior. So, but still, it's applicable when crouching, when there's not like huge differences, as you can see here. But with normal walking, it's like somewhat. And because of the interpolation alpha, you can just run really fast, and there won't be any stutter and that kind of stuff. So you can move freely, you can jump, you can do whatever you want, because it's only in the walking movement mode applicable. Yeah, and we can also check, like this was the advanced locomotion system. As I said, I showed it with the advanced locomotion system because it's the most, as the name says, most advanced and modified locomotion system. So this means if you can use it with this, it should work with everything. Uh, this is the plugin, and I'll show you just the basic version. This is a new project, and you put it like this, and you will just change settings. Um, so this will be like this. I just didn't change. That's the reason of the twist. Um, yeah, should be good. So you see this, my foot is going into the stairs. This is the reason is um, this is a line trace, so it will recognize this line. I can change it to box trace, but and I'll make it to the foot, like as big as foot size, so it won't be just these kind of situations won't happen. But for now, I just didn't see it very necessary. So you see, I'm going a bit on in the ground, but this is because I have to make the character a bit higher. This you will just do it in the you'll just do it in here, like this, and just make him a bit higher than like is higher. And if you change it, it will change accordingly. Yeah, that's all.